Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga on www.radiocentroamerica.com. Now going global through New York's newest LMB Roots Radio. Tune in by dialing www.lmbroots.com. And if you have TuneIn application on your smartphone, look it up under LMB Radio. LMB Radio. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m.
This is Jerry Castro, and thank you for tuning in to Radio Centro America and its host, DJ Labuga, Ronnie Figueroa, every Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m.
Visiting Las Vegas or live in Las Vegas? Black Coral Cafe Blazing Caribbean and American Cuisine Restaurant is just the place you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're open Tuesdays to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays from 12 noon to 5 p.m. Closed on Mondays. At Black Coral Cafe Restaurant in Las Vegas, you can enjoy all your Blazing Caribbean and American cuisine. We're located at 380 West Sahara Avenue. We also do catering for parties, weddings, and more. Call us at 702-579-5099. That's 702-579-5099. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Punta Unity Music, and it's coming from LJD Records, hosted by Lil June, aka La Punta Cho. So I want everybody to get this brand new CD that's out right now. Let's do this! Punta Unity Music.
Hai sagubeyo gaduruna gadibia puna saindie. Hai sagubeyo gaduruna gadibia puna saindie.
Wabina hapuka baby.
Hai gide bergulu barani. No we ba halu bararo. Hai gide bergulu barani. Hai no we ba halu bara. Supa siki jukule be. Supa siki tete. Supa siki jukule be. Supa siki. Hai gide bergulu barani. No we ba halu aripo. Gide bergulu barani. No we ba halu aripo. Enu we no we ba halu we ubole. Majno badina ya bowago ayawa bahani yonani ge luaya be mauya yaro.
Aha, out there let Lil June aka para todo mundo. Break it down.
Digi you day ma, digi you day bo, digi you day ma, digi you day bo, digi you day ma, digi you day ma, digi you day ba, Ai sagubeyo gaduruna gadibia puna saindi.
Wapila haputa digi you puta puta digi you puta be digi you puta mama you puta digi you puta be.
Ai sagubeyo gaduruna gadibia puna saindi. No way ba, no way ubole, majunu badina, ya boago, ayawa bahari eri yonani ke, duaya be, mauera yaro.
Justin, aha.
Purbo tu dina, purbo tu dina. Hey mama mira, tiki chukule puido mira, tiki chukule puido mira, tiki chukule puido mira, tiki chukule puido, alate go, alate go, alate go.
Aha, Little June. Puta chop. Aha, dice.
Tokutape, tokutape, ha, tokutape, tokutape, ha, tokutape, tokutape, ha, tokutape, tokutape, ha, yuma, yumbara, yuna, yumbara, yuma, yumbara, yuda. Elina lipe tuya, liberuye, liberuye. Elina lipe tuya, liberuye, liberuye. Elina lipe tuya, liberuye, liberuye.
Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We have in the studio Little June. Of course, the long-awaited interview. A lot of people in New York are awake this late at night. It's 11 o'clock in the evening, and it's time to go to sleep. And a lot of our fans are waiting to hear from the man who's been traveling the United States, the U.S. continental U.S., from Central America all the way through Mexico. So here we have Little June. So we're going to call him in a minute. He's right here in the studio, though. Today we're not going to be doing phone calls. However, we'll be taking phone calls from the general public. If you're interested in calling in, you could dial 323-898-6841 if you want to talk to Little June. We have a nice long interview. We're going to talk wide and open about every subject that is going on among Garinagu musicians, production, music, the music business in general. So thanks for listening to Garifuna Music on Talk. We're live every Wednesday now from 8 to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that will be 11 o'clock p.m. in New York. So welcome New York, welcome Los Angeles. This is Garifuna Music on Talk with DJ Labuga. Little June, ready? All right, Little June. So we're going to turn on the mic for Little June right there, and I know he's busy trying to manage the the social media. He's a Facebook fanatic, so that's how he's able to manage his audience. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Thank you again to Jonathan Silva in New York, LMB Roots Radio. He is monitoring the station. He is making sure that everything is okay. He's our engineer, our virtual engineer in New York. So, Little June, how are you, my brother?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good, brother. And you?
I'm doing great, man. Very excited to have you here live in the studio. I want you to take a minute to say hello to all of the audience listening to LMB Roots Radio in New York and also Radio Centroamerica in Los Angeles.
Yeah, I want to take the time to say, matter of fact, God bless everybody for taking the time to actually still be up late in New York City. You know, shout out to New York City. That's my hometown for life. No matter where I go, New York City for life. Shout out to everybody. I know some of y'all got school tomorrow, but I appreciate y'all for taking the time to listen. And here, Lil June, aka La Punta Cho. Big up Los Angeles. Big up Honduras, Guatemala, Belize, Mexico, Nicaragua, Boston. Man, it's just a whole bunch of everybody that I want to give a big shout out to, but I will get to that soon. But I love you all. Lil June is doing good.
Beautiful, Little June. That was nice, man. I'm glad that you mentioned all of the young kids that are staying up late, because I know you have a lot of fans that follow you, especially the young crowd. So, yeah. How do you feel about being an upcoming Punta Rock artist and having all these appeal towards the young people?
Man, man, it's a blessing to actually do what I'm doing right now, and especially doing something that I love to do, because not a lot of people get the opportunity to do what they love to do, because there's so many, different situations that they have to deal with before they even try to aim, to make them dreams come true. So it's a blessing to actually inspire the upcoming generation and also the older generation to this day. So I feel really blessed, and just thanking God for every moment that I get.
Right. Yes, man. And I put your bio out there. A lot of people have been reading, especially on my page. If you are not my friend yet, make sure you go ahead and befriend me on Facebook.
Yes.
Ronnie Figueroa, R-O-N-Y Figueroa. And you're going to be able to see the bio from Little June. And we're going to talk about it at length. We're going to make sure that you know what's really going on with Little June, what are the projects that he's been working on, and what are some of the things that he's doing in the community to be able to bring all the young crowd back to their culture. So yeah. I think what you're doing, Little June, by promoting and touring and writing music and singing in Garifuna, I think that you are motivating a lot of youngsters to come back to their culture.
Yeah, I feel like, it's important, because nowadays, even before, I started taking off as a solo artist, when I was coming up as a musician, I was seeing a lot of people, especially around my age, they will represent something that they not, because they feel ashamed that, the Garifunas is not up there like the rest of the culture. But it's like, you can't keep thinking negative. You got to think about the future. You got to think about now. You just can't think about the past, because not a lot of people had thought about building up their culture in the 90s and stuff like that. You got to take your mind out of the 90s and 2000 and think about today, because it's never too late to bring the culture like the rest of the culture in the world. Just like how you could see Jamaicans and Spanish people and everybody up there, we could be up there too if we start right now. So that's how I felt when I started doing music and became a solo artist. Like, no matter where I go, I'm gonna represent Garifuna, and that's me. And just a lot of people that's really interested to hear new things. Everybody want to see something different, so that's what I'm putting.
That's beautiful, man. I like to hear that. So tell me about your upbringing. You were born in New York. You were born in Brooklyn.
Yeah, right? Brooklyn, yeah.
And raised in a Garifuna family.
Yeah.
Your father is from Honduras.
Yeah.
Traveling to Belize back and forth.
Yeah.
Your mom is from Honduras.
Yeah.
But you grew up in
Brooklyn, New York.
A small village called Brooklyn. Right?
Yeah.
Garifuna village.
Yeah, Garifuna village. Yeah, there you go. Oh man, yeah, Brooklyn, New York City, man. When I was like growing up around that time, it was a lot of negative stuff going on. Everybody doing a whole bunch of negative stuff. The last generation trying to brainwash my generation and even me, and things just got out of control until my generation got older and started realizing about the things that were going on,
right,
and seeing the last generation really try to brainwash my generation, saying like for example, let's say to get respect, right? They saying, you gotta become a gang banger, something like that,
right,
to get respect, and it's like, it's really not like that.
Right.
You could get respect by trying to, just approach somebody in a positive way, say, introduce yourself like, hello, my name is Junior, and, I do music and stuff like that. What do you do? And after the conversation, and, you already gain respect.
Right. No, I understand, man. There's a lot of peer pressure out there, especially the schools.
Yeah.
And you at such a young age, being around other musicians
Yeah.
and people in the business, I think that really helped to stay focused and do the things that are positive for you to be the young kid that you are today. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're inspiring to a lot of kids. You are a good figure to look up to,
Yeah.
because you are one of the ones that is keeping the flame alive. It's not easy today to stay Garifuna when you're living in a concrete jungle,
Yeah.
like Brooklyn,
Yeah.
New York, as in general. You're surrounded by small parks, but mostly big buildings and
Yeah.
thousands of people, and so on and so
Yeah.
forth. So it is hard to stay being Garifuna, to be able to be truthful to not only the music, the language, but be able to relate to your parents,
Yeah.
because they come from a small village and they have a different upbringing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, man, I really thank you and I appreciate what you're doing, man, for the culture. You have traveled from New York to how many states do you think? How many cities in the United States?
So far I had 15 states, and 3 countries.
And which countries have you been to?
I've been to Belize, Guatemala, Honduras.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful. I think that the opportunity that you have as a musician to travel does really help to widen your horizon,
Yeah.
because you're able to relate to how Garifuna and Belize behave,
Yeah.
how the ones in Guatemala and La Buga Livingston in this case behave,
Yeah.
and how the ones in Honduras behave. Pretty much Garinagu are united by one
Yeah.
race, right?
Yeah.
One culture, but each one of these places that you visited has their own
Yeah, they have their own
Right.
flavor, yep.
And how did you like Belize compared to La Buga Livingston in Guatemala and in Honduras?
Man, I love Belize. Belize is my second home, you understand? I love Belize all the way too. The love that everybody had gave me once I went this year, it was just a blessing, because the type of mentality that I had when I went to Belize was like, alright, nobody doesn't know Lil June. This is Lil June, the upcoming artist. So as soon as I reached Belize, it was like, hey, Little June, but to me, it was like shocking, I had to catch myself real quick and play it off yeah, I knew this, but I didn't really know about that, but at the same time, I thank God for that, you never know who knows you once you're doing something, so you just have to appreciate whatever happens, whatever moments happen, that's what I mean.
Right. Little June, what happens when you hear the music when you're on stage? I know you become this monster. you go from Little June to this big monster. The musician, the performer,
Yeah.
the guy who's able to control the crowd and make them, have a good time.
To me, every time I hit the stage, I feel like I'm home. So I go on stage, to have fun, show love, show love to everybody that's there and showing them that I appreciate them for being there to support what I do.
Right.
You understand? Because everybody, you never know if a person coming from country to, probably take like a 3-4 hour flight just to see, Lil June. You never know if a person's coming from a different state, going through traffic, having a hard time, like those are the type of stuff that I think about when I see the audience, because I'm always seeing somebody new. So I want them to have a good time, have fun, and show them that I really appreciate them for being there.
Right.
Just have fun, come on stage with me, have fun, let's celebrate. Let me, be proud of who you are.
Let me see a little bit of your reaction, man. Let me see how you react when I play a little bit of your music. So I'm going to play a little track to see what happens to Little June. ¿Qué mutia?
Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Ladies and gentlemen, Little June, a.k.a. La Puta Show. Yes, I. You listen to watch this now. One drop. Hey, you getting ready tonight. You wanna dance tonight. You wanna pool tonight. You wanna move tonight. Get ready to party. It's time to party. Get ready to pool time. Below me, I you. Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance, gal? Do you wanna dance? We love. Stop the rhythm. Yes, I. Just a little example.
See, that's what I'm talking about, man. That's beautiful.
Yes.
How you're able to become that musician, that performer that's within you, man. I think a lot of people do agree with me, the fact that there's a lot of musicians out there, but there's only a few who could really and are able to work the crowd when you're in a big stage.
Yeah.
You travel a lot. You have performed in big stages from 100 people to, I would say, 5,000 people, especially this upcoming weekend where we are celebrating the Belize Independence Day at the Hollywood Park Casino. Tell us about that.
Yeah. We got the Hollywood Park Casino. We got September 13 and 14. Just support both events. But I will actually be at the September 14 show this Sunday. Everybody hype in Los Angeles right now. Everybody's hype about that upcoming show. It's Saturday, it's Sunday. It's a competition, but, it's both. And Hollywood Park Casino still. So you should come out. For the 14, you should bring your kids. Teenagers is allowed to be, in Hollywood Park Casino Sunday. So y'all should come out. Lil June, a.k.a. La Punta Cho, is going to be there. We're going to hype it up. We're going to, do you wanna dance? Hey, do you wanna dance? Hey! And then we're going to sacudo. Haha, ya tu sabes de this.
That's beautiful, man. Yeah. This coming weekend is also the parade, the Central American Parade in in New York, right?
Yeah, New York.
Sunday. And that's one of the parades that you have been performing back to back year after year.
Yeah.
So how do you feel now that you're in LA, man? You're not able to be there, but you're gonna be here for a bigger show. A lot bigger than that.
Yeah. I feel excited, and I feel more open and free, because being out here, man, is just a different mindset. Everything is just everything is just so free, and I don't have to go through a lot of headache, so everything is just...
For one thing, being in the West Coast in Los Angeles, for that matter, we have traffic, but we don't have a lot of high-rise. We don't have a lot of concrete jungle like the way we have it in New York, In New York, it's kind of hard to see the sun. Right here, you have open spaces.
Open space.
Not a lot of high-rise buildings unless you go to downtown LA, but for the most part, Los Angeles wide open. And
Los
it's a lot more relaxing. So the parade is happening also in Los Angeles. We have the COFECA, the Central American Independence Parade. That's an annual thing that has been going on for years. I know you're going to be marching on the parade, but I hope that whoever you march with, whether it's Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, or Nicaragua, and I know that you're going to be able to represent that country because Garifuna are not divided by the boundaries or the borders of each country.
Exactly.
Garifuna is one race.
One race, yep. We are the same.
That's good. That's good to know. So, so after the parade, Then a lot of people are gonna end up going to Hollywood Park Casino,
Yeah.
which is gonna feature many Belizean
Many
including,
artists.
some artists that are coming from Trinidad and Tobago.
Trinidad,
Is that for
Tobago.
Saturday or for Sunday?
That's for Saturday.
That's
That's for Saturday for it.
So I know
Yeah.
Crazy is gonna be there.
Yeah.
Crazy is the famous guy who sings that song.
Yeah, Mighty Sparrow, Only a Fool.
Yep.
If you know that song, you gotta come through. Only a Fool. You know, that's the guy that gonna be there Saturday. So come out, man. SKM Records. You know.
Yes, man. Beautiful, beautiful. So, we're gonna play a little bit of music. This is Garifuna Music and Talk. We're live with Little June in the studio. He just landed from Texas. He
Yeah,
went to
Texas.
perform
Yeah,
in,
yeah, Dallas, Texas.
Dallas, Texas, along
Yeah.
with Miami Martinez.
Yeah.
This guy is busy. He's always traveling. If he's not within the United States, he's going to Belize, Guatemala, Honduras. He was telling me earlier that he traveled to Central America, including the island of Roatan during Easter. He was
Yeah.
there and, of course, promoting his music, where he was surprised to find out that he's big, that a lot of people do know his music, and that they're singing right along the tunes as he performs live. So, Little June, I want you to introduce this song, man. We're going to play, let's see, because we have a whole collection of your music right here. I like, let's see, Backup Girl. Okay, that's Backup Girl. That's the song that you sent me. It has a special shout out to DJ Labuga. So introduce the song. Tell us what's the story behind this song, Backup Girl.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the story behind Backup Girl, I wanted to create a single, a party single, you know what I mean, before my debut album drops, which is called The New Chapter. So I wanted to, at least create a hype single for the ladies out there, so they could back up, have a good time, be in a club, so that way when the album drops, everybody would be excited to get the album, so that's the story behind this Backup Girl. So this is Little June, brand new single called Backup Guy. So get ready, DJ La Puga, drop it.
Bueno, este es Little Joe, a.k.a. La Punta Show, con DJ La Puga esta noche y más música punta, con la canción que se dice, Paco, que Paco, Paco, que Paco, y para atrás, mami, ¿está listo? Bueno, DJ La Puga, tíralo. Paco, que Paco, Paco, que Paco, Paco, que Paco, Paco, que Paco, Paco, it's your boy, Little Joe, a.k.a. La Punta Joe. Oh my God. Excuse me, DJ La Punta. The way you wind the bumper, just like that, just like that. Shake like a tornado, just like that, just like that. Wave like the ocean, just like that, just like that. Shake like the earthquake, just like that, just like that. Oh, I love your movement. So back it up right here. Paco, yeah, Paco, 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 do that way. The way you punta, just like that, just like that. I really like it, just like that, just like that. Drop it like it's hot, just like that, just like that. Tip, by your door, just like that, just like that. Oh, I love your movement. So back it up, Lisa. Para atrás, mami, 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 para atrás, mami. It's your boy Little Joe, a.k.a. La Punta Show. SKM, you ready to boom top? Here we go. A, B, C, D. Paco, yeah, Paco, Paco, yeah, Paco, atrás, mami, y para atrás, mami, y para watch this now.
Visiting Las Vegas or live in Las Vegas? Black Coral Cafe Blazing Caribbean and American Cuisine Restaurant is just the place you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're open Tuesdays to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays from 12 noon to 5 p.m. Closed on Mondays. At Black Coral Cafe Restaurant in Las Vegas, you can enjoy all your Blazing, Caribbean, and American cuisine. We're located at 380 West Sahara Avenue. We also do catering for parties, weddings, and more. Call us at 702-579-5099. That's 702-579-5099. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas.
This is Jerry Castro, and thank you for tuning in to Radio Centroamerica and its host, DJ La Buga, Ronnie Figueroa, every Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m.
Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga on www.radiocentroamerica.com. Now going global through New York's newest LMB Roots Radio. Tune in by dialing www.lmbroots.com. And if you have TuneIn application on your smartphone, look it up under LMB Radio. LMB Radio. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with Little June. We're live in the studios from Long Beach, California. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga every Wednesday. Now from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That will be New York, 11 p.m. to 1 in the morning. Wow, that is late. Anyways, so welcome New York, welcome Los Angeles. We are live from the studios in Long Beach. We're having a good time right here with Little June.
Yes!
You can appreciate some of the pictures that we have uploaded on my Facebook page, on Little June's Facebook page as well, where he was signing the flag of fame, where we have signatures and autographs from Asiatic, from Mojaba Flores, from Macaco, from Greg Palacio, from Super G, from, man, you name it, everybody's there. And now, Little June, the Punta Chao.
Yes.
Right on it.
Yes.
So, Little June, tell us, man, how you feeling tonight, man? How's the vibes? Have you felt the vibes at this point yet, or are you still not?
I'm getting there. I'm getting warmed up now. You know, I feel welcome. I feel blessed. You know, I'm really thankful for being here tonight with you, DJ La Buga, and you know, being here at the radio station. I could see the radio station is becoming a legacy right now, because you know everybody been here. You know, I see the names, the dates. Oh God, yeah, I was even a teenager. You know, when some of these artists came here, but you know. It's a blessing to actually be at a place where all the artists and bands, you know, been at, you know, once they reach LA, you know, this is like a must, you know, you must come here before you do anything, you know, so I'm really blessed, you know, to be here. Thank you for the welcome, man.
Beautiful. Thanks, man. And I want you to give a shout out to Del Ogales in Chicago. She's listening.
Oh, yes. Delhi, Chicago, Chi-Town, you know. Yeah, you know how we do, man. I want to give a big shout out to Del, too, you know, for always blessing me. And every time I go to Chicago, you know, she give me the blessing to open doors. You know, I actually, you know, just want to thank everything she been doing ever since, you know, Lil June had reached Chicago, even the first time, you know, everything. Yes, love man. You, Del.
Also, Rene Vinicio Solano, Dora Najarro are listening also in Los Angeles.
Okay.
Also, Nayende Lewis.
Oh, Nayende, hi!
Nayende.
Yeah.
And all of our friends and family in New York, man, a lot of them are listening on their smartphones, so we're not able to see who is online. However, we got Saucier.
Oh, yes.
New York.
Yeah. Big up to Saucier, GCK. Yeah, man. I like that new song, man.
Garifuna Pablo Blanco as well.
Yeah. Woo, Pablo. Yes. Hey, yo, New York City, fam. What's up? Yes.
Miss Artisha Welch.
Hi, Auntie. Oh, man. Oh, yes. Hi.
Also, DJ Evan Hill.
Woo! Big shout out to you. Big shout out to you. Big
Catalan. Even Aurelio Martinez is.
Aha, Aurelio Martinez. Aha, Little June. Aha, dice.
Also, man, a lot of people.
Man,
go through the whole list, but thank you.
I just want to take the time to actually say big shout out to everybody that's listening to the radio station right now, man. I really appreciate y'all. I know all of y'all like, man, I'm supposed to be in bed right now, you know what I mean? But I appreciate y'all for listening to the radio station, man. I love y'all, Little June, aka La Puntacho. Can never forget about y'all. Yeah, I love y'all.
There you go.
Yes, DJ La Buga. Estamos aquí. Yes, man.
Yes, man. So, on the biography, we read that you have a big inspiration from your father.
Yes, my father. Yep.
Kept bringing punta music around you, and it was Chiquiticola that grabbed you, and I said, "Hey, Little June is going to start digging punta music."
Yep,
now,
Asiatic.
So, how did that happen?
Oh man, how everything got came together. Well, you know, I was just a young kid, you know, growing up. You know, I always loved music. Man, my father even pushed it even more, you know, just being around him, because, you know, he was doing music. So I've been around music all my life until one day my mom and dad decided to take me to a party where my father was performing at, you know. But after my father and his band had finished performing, the DJ, you know, started taking over. And then this punta record called Chiquiticola by Asiatic, after I heard that record, man, I was like, you know what, it's time for me to do music, man. And I love punta music, so that's what really inspired me to do punta music, you know, the song by Asiatic, Chiquiticola. Oh yeah, Chiquiticola. Then the drums, man, you know, Q on the drums. And, you know, it's a blessing to actually meet Q, the drummer that actually did the recording for Asiatic. You know, that's my boy, but punta music,
man, the song was a hit.
Yeah,
especially here in Los Angeles.
Yeah,
and the first time even before the album came out, when Asiatic released the single, a lot of people were playing Chiquiticola in their car.
Yes. That was the hit that did it.
And like you said, the caron, the drumming that Q put into that thing was just sacred, man. That stuff was never to be repeated.
Yeah, repeated. No.
I have a lot of respect for Chocolat out in New York. Everybody, that's my idol as far as Garifuna drumming is concerned. But when I hear Q on those drums on that song,
man, it just moved everybody, man. It just moved you should have seen the crowd once the DJ had played a record by Asiatic, Chiquiticola. Everybody just got up. You know what? I don't know if you have the song, but can you just play that song for me right there, man? I want everybody that's listening to the radio right now. This is the song that actually inspired Little June, you know, Chiquiticola by Asiatic. Yes, dropped it.
So here we go.
so that's the song that inspired Little June, man. We just got somebody who called us from Chicago. Don't be shy. Yeah, Little June is here. Call us back. We're gonna actually call you back so we could put you live on the air and you could talk to Little June. Okay, so how is your social media moving, Little June? You have a lot of people responding.
Yeah, everything is going crazy right now. The inbox is full right now. Well, I'm here. So, yeah, I'm over here trying to reply to everybody right now, but I guess the best way for me to reply to everybody is on the radio.
That's it. That's the way to do it.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes,
Hi.
hello.
Here's Little June. You want to talk to Little June?
Yeah.
You have a call from Chicago.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, Jonah?
Yeah, you speaking to him.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, this number.
Hello?
Yeah, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good, and you?
I'm good.
Okay.
I miss you.
Oh, I miss you too.
Wow!
I want to take the time to say I appreciate you for calling me.
You know what this is, right?
Oh.
Yo, this is Jonah.
Oh, hey, how you doing? Oh, man.
You got that funny.
Oh, okay.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. Well, we got another line coming up, you know, so everything is we're trying to get everybody phone call right now, but I appreciate your phone call. Take the time. Miss you too. Take care.
Miss you too.
Alright.
When you come back out here?
I'll be out there for the next album tour.
Don't bring your manager.
Alright, later.
Take care, bye-bye.
Later.
Alright. See, that's the feel that you have me with you. Why? You gotta watch it, man. You gotta watch it.
Oh, man. La Buga.
This is a live radio show, ladies and gentlemen. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. Live every Wednesday now from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. from the Long Beach studios. We are live with Little June.
Yes, you hear live and direct. Little Joy K live from the show. Live and direct from Brooklyn, New York City. Los Angeles, get ready because September 14th we going alright, cool, keep it nice.
You're gonna be performing right next to Super G, right? Super G's already in town?
Yeah. Super G's not here. He should be here by Saturday morning.
Okay.
Saturday morning.
Oh yeah, because he's got a lot of performances.
Yeah, he has a lot. Yeah,
especially for September celebrations.
Yeah.
So, wow, man. So, is there anybody out there that you would like to do a record with, do a song with? Besides the people you already work with, of course.
Man, I mean, there's certain people that I really wanted to work with, man. You know, like me, I'm the type of person that likes to think, you know, outside the box, you know. But it's crazy how I'm gonna say this right now, but I actually wanted to work with Michael Jackson, man.
Wow.
Yeah, you know, that's the guy that really inspired me as well. I wanted to work with I actually want to work with Beyonce one day. It's just a lot I have in mind, you know. But as far as Garifuna artists, man, it would be cool to work with Aurelio Martinez.
Oh yes.
You know,
much respect to Aurelio.
It's just a lot of artists out there, man. Like I know all the artists out there, man. It would just be, you know, a blessing to work with anybody. I also want to work with Societe. You know, GCK. You know, Livingstone. You know, we're gonna work together, bro. Don't worry. There's just so many artists out there, man. You know, Titiman. You know,
I love
Mohabub, you know. Yeah, it's just so much to name, man. But I would love to work with everybody, man. You know, just waiting for the right time to be right, so that way everything could just fall in place. You know, I don't just want to just do it now and then everything, you know, it's not in place. You know, I just want to do it when the time is right.
Yeah, man, for sure. No, and you know what you said right now at the beginning of when you started answering my question was very inspiring. When you mentioned people like Michael Jackson, like Beyonce. I want to tell the youngsters out there, you know, there is no limit to your dreams. You always dream about being someone, doing something. Eventually, the more you focus on what you want to do and your goals, they will eventually come true. You know what I mean? I think you're very talented. You have dedicated, I would say, 90% of your time to the business and 10% of the time for your education and the things that matter, you know what I mean, for your personal life. But when I say 90%, I think I'm underestimating, because I think you put 110% into music and touring and doing radio shows. You were just telling me right now that you were in Dallas. That one of the highlights of traveling to Dallas along with me was to be able to be on some of the radio stations in the market. So tell us a little bit about those radio stations.
Oh man, I love their work, man. Like everything is just on point. You know, they would just ask you certain questions, and you just gotta be like, yo, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you know? And it's like, and that's it. And, you know, you go about your business, but it's just like they know exactly what to do, what they supposed to do, you know, make sure everything goes smooth. They ask questions like, you know, the people behind the scene, they would be like, yo, you sure this is going on? Yeah, boom. They do their thing and, you know, promote and, you know, just do what they have to do.
The beauty of our radio stations here, the fact that we're doing Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga is because we allow the artists to be themselves. We don't want to rush you. We're not a commercial radio program because we don't depend on advertisers to pay our bills.
Exactly.
We do this out of love, and we want to make sure that the audience on the other end of the receiver, people who are on their iPads, on their smartphones, on their desktops, on any type of device, that are able to really get to know the artists like you, Little John. So, you know,
I understand everything you're saying, because at the same time, this is how I look at everything. You see how DJ Labuga has a radio station? This radio station is just like the rest of the radio station in the world. You know, that's how I look at it. Because there's a lot of people out there that look at certain stuff a certain way. Just because this radio station is not like Hot 97 or such and such, that doesn't mean nothing. A radio station is a radio station, because one day this radio station right here is going to be just like Hot 97. It even might be better, because, you know, they don't just play, this radio station doesn't just play one specific music. They play all kinds of music. There's radio stations out there that play one kind of music, but this radio station plays all kind of music. From Garifuna, Spanish, English, might take it to Africa, you know, you might take it to a different space, the different kind of world, culture.
We have two stations. We have Radio Centro America, which does play a lot of Spanish music, English, and of course the Garifuna show that we broadcast every Wednesday. But in New York, we have LMB Roots Radio. That radio station is specifically designed for Garifuna people. So all you hear there is Garifuna music.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Whether it's reggaeton, whether it's reggae, dancehall. It's dancehall, but it's with Ingarifuna. Garifuna. So we are targeting two markets. We got Radio Centro America in Los Angeles, and we have LMB Roots Radio in New York, and together we're stronger.
Exactly.
And the fact is that we try to cater to our community, to Garifuna people, so that we have a window of opportunity to showcase what Garifuna produce. And I think that Garifuna music is very rich, in not only in the genre, in the different styles, but in rhythmically and with the drums, they just come up, man, at a different level. So, Little June, we're going to listen to the next song out of your album. We have a whole bunch of songs that we were able to obtain from you. We have, let's see, you collaborated with Gooey. So let's listen to that one. This is a song that Little June recorded along with Gooey Posse, one of the hottest performers here from the West Coast. He travels a lot to New York. And recently he was performing in Belize. So I want you to introduce this song that you collaborated with along with Gooey Posse.
Yeah, this song right here, this is actually you know, Gooey featuring Lil June. You know what this song is basically about is just Gooey's is basically saying, you know, never be ashamed of who you are. That's what basically what this song is about. So listen up. Yeah.
Okay. Gooey, your side, Lil June. The
Wait, hold on, DJ La Buga, hold on. Let's make sure we get the track correct. You know, I need the band, I need the live. You know, it's your boy Little Drew, aka La Fundacho. It's your boy Little Drew, aka La Fundacho, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, bomba! Say it with me. Hey, bomba! Haruchuchu, hacha. When I say little, you say June. Little. Oh my God. Oh no. Yo. I want to give a big shout out to New York City, everybody in Los Angeles, everybody out there, man. Listen up. Hey, mama, sakutabe, oh la la. Hey, mama, sakutabe, what? Sakutabe, oh la la. Watch this now. We need some music. We need some music. Everybody you party tonight. Everybody you party tonight. Ay, así se baila la cintura, mami. Ay, hey, what? And she ready for what? And she ready for Asakutabe. Willow. Hold on. Este se llama Sakutabe. That is called Sakutabe, ladies and gentlemen. Let me give you a cappella. It's Sakutabe. In your Los Angeles, get ready. September 14th, we going hype with Little Drew, aka La Fundacho. And yo, New York City, I will be coming too. Hey, Sakutabe.
Beautiful. One thing we haven't talked about, and it's very important to is the fact that you're not only an artist that performs and that sings music, the music, and also goes in the studio and lays the tracks. You are also a producer. You were telling me off the microphone that you have produced a few artists. One of the albums that you produced was the one for Gooey Posse.
Yeah.
We didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's one thing that we don't know about Little June.
Yeah. I'm producing on a lot of albums right now, a lot of upcoming albums, you know, SKM Records, under the label SKM Records. So I also produce too, you know, play piano, play bass, you know, congas, drums, you know, I play all those type of instruments. I was actually a musician before I became a solo artist. So
that's right. Yeah, on the bio you were telling me that you used to play the keyboard for one of the bands in New York.
Yeah.
You also played the bajo, the bass, right?
Yeah, the bass.
But I have seen you right here in Los Angeles with a few performances with Nuru and Super G in the past.
Yeah.
You have been on the keyboard or the bass.
Yeah.
Playing along with these guys, and with such a talent that you have, you know, you don't always have to be in front of the stage being the main guy with the microphone, you know, working the crowd, but you're also so flexible that you get behind the keyboard and you're able to play rhythm or lead keyboard for other artists. So that's talent, man. So I gotta give it to you, brother.
Yeah, thank you,
right.
man.
So we have well-rounded musician again. That was the same case with GCK with Saucier, the guy who is like you know, plays a lot of instruments, records his own music. So when I went to pick you up this afternoon to come to the studio, I know you were working on one of the albums. So what are you working on at this point?
Right now, I'm working on so many things, man. But right now, I'm actually, you know, on the process of recording my official debut studio album, and the name of the album is gonna be called The New Chapter. You know, I'm also receiving more opportunities to like participate in upcoming movies, TV shows, commercials, also producing other people's projects, you know, upcoming albums. And there's just so many things. I also just received a message that
I will be receiving an award for the song "Do You Want to Dance."
Oh wow, that's good.
Yeah,
news. So where is this happening in New York?
This is happening. This is happening in Florida.
Wow.
Yeah, so there's gonna be a award for "Do You Want to Dance." So I want to take the time to say, big shout out to all my fans that have been supported "Do You Want to Dance" ever since it's been released. Ever since it's been released. Big shout out to the DJs out there too for blasting it and actually having fun, playing the tune. And big shout out to you, DJ Labuga, for also playing the record too on the radio, man. I appreciate your work. Keep doing it, God. God is blessing you with many more, man.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that recognition. But the fact is that we have to play the music that we love.
Yes.
When I go on DJ, I make sure that I play your music, so CS Music, Quayar, everybody who's out there that I know is talented and has got something to show.
Yeah.
Because people want it. As soon as people hear your music, they want to come and ask me, hey, where can I get that? Who is this singer? Who's performing this song? And so they get interested. I think that we as DJs play a very important role in disseminating the music. And now with this radio station, it's a weekly radio show. It's only 2 hours, but I think that we're able to reach a lot of people out there. For those of you who have to go to bed early in New York, don't worry about it. We're going to repeat the show on Friday night. We're going to have the show at 7 p.m. Los Angeles time, which will be 8, 9, 10 p.m. in New York for you guys to listen to the show in its entirety. So we'll always record the show for you, Little June. Maybe you can sit back and relax on Friday night. Maybe you will be in the studio rehearsing for your performance.
Rehearsing,
You guys are going to be busy rehearsing with all the artists that are traveling from Belize and that are coming from other places for the 2 big performances over the weekend at Hollywood Park Casino.
It's a lot going on right now. It's just so many. But all I gotta say is that all of us for this weekend, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a blast. Everybody's gonna go home sweating. We're gonna make sure everybody, spend their money for the right things. I want everybody to come out happy and be satisfied by the end of the night. That's what it's about.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I want to give a big shout out to Ruth Molina, again, Dale Nogales in Chicago, and Xiomara Mercedes, and wow, it's a lot of people out there listening, West Coast, East Coast. But also, I wanted to bring up the fact that one of your heroes, one of the guys that inspire you to be the musician that you are today, and that you have also worked with is Asiatic. You have done a few projects with Asiatic, especially that tune that is called
Teletonova.
Right. So that tune right there was something that came out of the collaborations that between you and him, the performance, because you have performed many a times alongside Asiatic. How did the project come about?
Well, basically, me and Spice, we was in the studio, we was recording, and then, while we was in the recording studio and stuff like that, a beat just, came up, during the recording session. So we heard the beat. Big shout out to Ito for the one that actually produced the record, and ever since Spice heard the instrumental, he like, man, this right here, this is it, this is something. But in his mind, he like, the 2 perfect people would be Asiatic and Lil June. Right. So, Spice did what he had to do. He sent the instrumental to Asiatic. Asiatic came up with the hook, everything else. He did his part. And then after that, once I came into the studio, I did my part. And after we just finished recording, the song and stuff like that, Spice did what he had to do. And boom. That's how the record just came about. It just came through a recording studio session, and Spice, putting everything together and doing what he had to do. Then Asiatic just came up with the concept and everything, and I just went along with it. So that's how Teletonova came about.
Beautiful, man. This is great, man. I hear that a lot of collaboration like that happens because you guys meet up on the stage, meet up going on the road, and that's how collaborations happen. That's how you click and create more music. And in this case, you are with two big performers. One collaboration with Asiatic, the other one with Gui Pasi Band. And I'm sure that you have worked with Super G at some level or another. Is there any song in the works with?
He's actually gonna be on my upcoming album. You know, the new chapter. You know, so saving a lot of things for the album. You know, building up. You know, a hype for the album, because this is gonna be like my first official debut studio album. You know, I feel like this album right here is gonna really introduce Little June, aka La Punta Cho. You know.
Okay, so when you say the official studio album, is because the first two albums were live.
Yeah, right? They were live. You know, they were live albums.
But they sound so good. I mean.
Yeah, I know. You know, I actually, you know, I have 3 projects out. You know, there's just one called Let's Do This, but it was more, you know, local, you know, New York City, because that's where I'm from. So, you know, I wanted to, like, you know, build a buzz in New York City, let everybody know who's Little June, and letting everybody know that Little June is from New York City.
Right.
Yeah, so.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live from the Long Beach studios along with Little June. Little June is well known for his command on stage. He works the crowds during performances, going from city to city and from state to state. We're going to read a little bit of the bio. Junior Jose Alvarez was born on July 25th, 1993. He is known by his stage name as Little June, La Punta Cho.
Yes.
He's a Garifuna American International Punta Rock singer, songwriter, actor, director, producer, editor, and dancer from the Brooklyn area of New York. His dedication to music, performing, and touring has made him a very popular among a diversity of audiences. He has performed for Latino, for Garifuna, for Black Americans, for all kinds of people. The last child of Julia Ramirez and Jose Yitin Alvarez, Little June debuted on the professional music scene in 2004, along with his father's band, Garifuna Millennium. In 2006, Little June created his own musical group, Sensation Band. In 2008, he joined Grupo Ecstasy. But it was not until 2009 that he decided to start his solo career. Little June joined SKM Records at the age of 15. Man, that's amazing. Let's continue. In 2010, Little June became the first youngest Garifuna artist to tour around the world, gaining even more success and recognition. He was recognized as the newest artist of Garifuna Music of the Year, and he debuted his first solo album entitled Let's Do This. That's the one you were talking about.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Which is kind of like a mixtape, right?
Yeah.
He also launched the video Outro Jam Session featuring
Young Pablo. Big shout out to you, bro.
Little June solo debut live album La Punta Live Volume 1, released in 2012, was one of the best-selling albums of his career. He gained more success and popularity, giving him the new image as an upcoming Punta rock artist, commanding authority on the stage and making the crowd dance non-stop. The hit single and music video for his song Do You Wanna Dance was credited with exposing Punta music to the world. Little June's live performances on different stages in the United States, from the east to the west, and in Central America, including his music videos, have helped propel Little June's appeal to more audiences. While on stage, Little June performs a number of complicated and well-coordinated dance techniques, such as bringing the classic steps, but also adding some of the moves, incorporating new steps from the hip-hop that he's born into and have never been used in Punta rock music dancing before. Little June is a big inspiration to other young people trying to hold on to their culture. To people in general, he inspires them, and to those who come to enjoy Garifuna music from different cultures, of course, he is an inspiration as well. Little June had always loved music since he was a little kid. He grew up around his father, who loved Garifuna music, that he helped him to get inspired at an early age. However, Little June did not want to do punta music because he was so into R&B, hip-hop, and other genres. He would entertain himself watching music videos, interviews, and listen to a lot of other music like Beyonce and you name it. As he went on to a party one day with his parents at the age of 6, the DJ played a punta record by Ishihara called Chiquiticola. And we have mentioned that earlier. And after hearing that record, Little June fell in love with punta music, and that is what made him want to get into Garifuna punta music.
Yes.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
But he asked his father to teach him how to play the piano and, of course, other instruments. And so Little June finally entered the music industry in 2004 as the piano player and director of his father's group, Garifuna Millennium Band. And then he left, and in 2006, he pursued other opportunities. He created his own group, Sensation Band, in 2006, alongside musicians such as John, Landito, DJ Primetime, Mateo, Young Pablo, Tyron, and Tito. Until 2008, of course. He joined Grupo Ecstasy in 2008 as the conga player and as the keyboard player for 5 months. Things began to pick up for Little June as he launched his solo career in 2009. He joined SKM Records, where he was able to do the things that he always wanted to do for a long, long time, such as singing his own songs, breakdancing, and basically be different. Little June is now working on movies, TV shows, and making commercials. He is presently recording his first official debut studio album, The New Chapter. He continues to tour, to produce albums, to do interviews, and of course to go to college. He enjoys meeting other famous artists, bands, and people from different cultures, and living the life of an upcoming superstar, and still aiming for even more and more and more. Ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. We are live every Wednesday, now from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. as we feature tonight, live in the studio, Little June.
Yes. Give a round of applause for DJ Labuga.
That was great. Man, that bio was very complicated, man. But it's good to know. It's good to know that that we have dedicated people in the business, because if you're a half time or part-time artist, it's kind of hard to really develop the experience that you have been able to acquire by traveling and performing and getting exposed to other people, promoters and producers. Big up to Georgina Giancarlo, who is listening live. Also, Ruth Molina listening in Riverside County. Of course, Ms. Deolo Galdes.
Mama God.
And all of our friends listening in New York. Rene Benicio Solano, Dora Najarro, Carlos Lopez, of course, listening. Nayendi, and many, many more people. My beautiful wife,
Mama Garifuna. Yeah.
She's right here in the studio helping us with the videos and the pictures.
Yes.
All the pictures you see on our page right now are thanks to Mama Garifuna.
Mama Garifuna.
That's right.
I want to give a big shout out to all my family and fans that's listening to the radio station right now. Big shout out to Mama Garifuna for everything she's doing right now, you know, because she could have been watching TV, you know. But, you know, I appreciate her for taking the time to actually be in a radio station and helping out. You know, this is what, you know, the radio station is about, you know, just broadcasting the culture and DJ Labuga doing his thing. So right now we're about to tune into the next tune right now.
So we're gonna play a song out of your album. I think this is the Punta, the La Punta one.
Yeah, La Punta.
And then we're gonna mix it up with Pásame la Botella. So you're not only singing Garifuna music, but also bringing other Caribbean flavors like Pásame la Botella and some soca music, so on and so forth. So ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna play a little bit of music while we give Little Junior a little break, and then we'll get back to talk a little bit more and find out more about Little June in the studio tonight.
Oh my God! As we are about to destroy the house of whites. Okay. Lua Pedro, Lua Pina, Lua Polo, yeah. Let's go, baby. bagariroto anane enugu yubaredera labuganalaro. I want to give a big shout out to you, baby. Be proud of who you are anywhere you go, baby. Look at the face. Punta. I love it, baby. Hey, Matina, Lumitina, Sweaty, Matila, Lumitina, we do. Ya lupa dame, ani morena nege, adi lupa tinao nagira, erglikaya lupa dame. All right, baby, I want you to take off your high heels, quita tu zapato, quita tu gorro, toda esa vaina, baby. Take it off, baby, 'cause now we are dead tonight. With little to and who lets his baby. Said dice baby. I don't need to find a love for I stay away. I got the one. I Melody. Hey yo, Angel Way, I like that baby. I like it real good like that baby. Soon. Alright. Okay, me head the free out loose. Watch it. Dame más. Okay, baby. La comedia. La comedia. La comedia. Nueva de vale, baby. La comedia. La comedia. La comedia. La comedia, baby. Melody. Oh my God. I think we need to call 911 for emergency because someone just passed over there. What's that, baby? Come on, give me water. Give me water. Give me home. Hey, gózalo. Oh my God. Oh my God, baby. I like the way you moving your body like that, baby. I just slide down. Take a look. All right, cool. If you feeling good, make some noise. Oh my God. Someone just passed out over there. I hope she doing alright. I'm telling you, gotta call 911. But before I leave,
la botella, voy a beber el nombre de ella. Pásame la botella, voy a beber el nombre de ella. Hay algo quiero decir, esta no me puede estar pasando a mí. La chica que quiera para mí es traicionera, me quemaba hasta morir. Hay algo quiero decir, esta no me puede estar pasando a mí. La chica que quiera para mí es traicionera y pásame la voy a beber del nombre de ella. Pásame la botella, voy a beber del nombre. Okay, pásame la botella, pásame la botella, pásame la botella, pásame
Para toda mi gente por allí, mami, yo soy Little Drew, a.k.a. La Punta Show. Otra vez, mi gente. Y aquí estamos gozando y bailando parranda. Let's go, baby, like this for my guy. Punta people. That's right. I like it like this, baby. Left to right. Ay, ay, ay. Left to right. Ay, 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 ay. Suavecito, baby.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back again. This is DJ Labuga Garifuna Music and Talk. We have in the studio a Little June, straight from New York. Now he is right here, stationed in Los Angeles while he works on a variety of projects. We also have on the line his promoter, producer, Spice from SKM Records. Hey, what's up, my brother Spice? How you doing?
I'm doing all right, man. Everything blessed.
Yeah, man. Lil June is right here in the studio, and he wanted to ask you about what's going on this weekend, man. But maybe you could tell us what's the lineup for Saturday, where, how much, and who's going to be there.
All right. Well, this weekend we're going to have the Mighty Sparrow from straight out of Trinidad. And then we have Crazy from straight from Trinidad also. We have from Jamaica, Nada Ronks. We got Super G straight out of Belize. And Biggs. And all the DJs, we got like Wasong, Easy B. And I guess that is like $25 for tickets. And Sunday is like a family event for kids and everybody, the whole family. So you got Donkey Man, you got, let me see, you got Little June, you got Asiatic, you got Consigo, you got Taprick, you got, there's too much people, man.
Man, that's
Punta Cartel also.
Yeah, man. So on Saturday, what time are we expected to arrive at Hollywood Park Casino?
Start at 8 till 2 in the morning. It's like an adult thing, you know. So it's for young and old.
No,
Everybody could come and enjoy themselves.
Okay, so it's a Saturday,
Saturday night.
Okay, Sunday is a whole day event, right?
Yeah, it's a whole day event that starts at 1 o'clock and that goes up to 10 in the night. It's also like $10 for tickets and $15 at the door.
So $25 Saturday night and $10 in advance tickets for Sunday and $15 at the door for Sunday, starting at 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
So on Saturday is an international affair. You have performers from Trinidad, from Jamaica, from Belize, and then on Sunday, which is Belize Independence Day, you have all Belizean artists and DJs, right?
Yes, correct.
Beautiful, man. Great. Well, I want you to say hello and send a big shout out to all of our listeners. We have a lot of people listening in New York, on the East Coast, and also a lot of people listening in the West Coast.
Yeah, definitely. Right now, tonight I'm going to go pick up Biggs. He's coming in tonight. Right now I'm in the studio with Consigo, so I'm going to put him on so he could say a few words.
Oh, yeah, man. Put Consigo on the line.
Hold on.
Yeah. We're about to get Consigo right now. Hey, yo, Consigo.
Yeah. Bueno, italiano tiene mucho más hambre que boy. This is Consigo representing.
Man, let everybody know what you're doing right now. Where you at right now, bro?
Say what?
So what you working on right now? You're in that studio, right?
Yeah, right now we're in a studio right now. You don't know where we is because the album will come out soon.
Yeah.
The album will come out soon, so I want everybody to make sure look out for the album. Yeah. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything. Yeah, got the album coming out. Yeah, the on iTunes, everything. So yeah, we gotta go off song in the spot. You know, DJ Cool, the maddest and the baddest, you know. It's spice all over the region. We could chill here and we try and make sure this album come out as best as it could, you know.
Alright, cool.
Yeah,
yo, Contigo, make everybody get something exclusive real quick.
Yeah.
Get something exclusive. Give me something exclusive. Yeah.
Huh?
Get something exclusive. I want you to throw a tune real quick. One thing.
Oh, okay. Hey, sigel que se de, hey, sigel que salada. Hey, no do you know? If I get home, you hago. Hey, no hago talo liabi.
Yeah, that's Consigo. Everybody that's listening to the radio station right now, that's Consigo.
Yeah, the album coming on soon. Make sure to pick it up. Yeah, iTunes, everything. Oh no. Yeah, this weekend is gonna be crazy. Sunday, and Saturday, you don't know Sparrow, Big Man Sparrow, and Super G and everybody, whatever is spot Saturday. Sunday is the same thing. We're gonna be inside the place, Punta Cartas, everybody go off song, everybody you don't know. So why everybody come out and enjoy themselves like always, peace and because then you don't know 10th of September today, Happy birthday, Belize.
Sure.
Yeah, you know, like all the time,
How are you? This is DJ Labuga, man.
Yeah, what's up? It's alright. What's up, big man?
Right here, man. Thanks for coming on, man. We're live on LMB Roots Radio in New York and Radio Centro America right here in Los Angeles. And I want you to give a big shout out to Del Ogaldes, who's listening to you in Chicago right now.
Oh yeah, I have to big up, man. 24/7. My birthday just can't, so happy birthday, like belated birthday to my partner. I want to pick up the man, Yeah, and everybody back home, I want to enjoy clean party, and all the time make sure to keep it positive. I respect everybody, and I always give them good music, and it's time to entertain. Sunday I want to come out, Saturday I want to come out, every day. You want to come out every day. Well, I know what.
Alright, fam, thanks for passing by, saying, what you have to say. Contigo, look out for the album, man.
I have a big up little June Pana, track there to the Asofrida, Little June. you did a good job on the truck, you know. Spice, you know, all of the good job, you know, we sit down and we try, you know.
Yeah.
Like when we say make good music to make people, yeah, cause we can't be blind to what happened, you know.
That's right.
So we sing the real thing.
Alright, fam. Straight. Continue doing your thing, bro.
Yeah, man.
Straight.
Thank
Yeah.
you, brother. Take care,
Yeah,
man. We'll see you over the weekend at the big performance at Hollywood Park Casino. This is DJ
DJ Labuga live and direct from the studios in Long Beach alongside Little June, and we just had on the line
What up?
Consigo and
Yeah.
and Spice from Umalali Studios in Los Angeles.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to dance?
Just do it, girl. Alright, Labuga. Back to the music. Take a break.
Appreciate it, bro. Bye-bye.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's the beauty of radio, man. That's the beauty of doing a live show. You know, you never know what's going to happen, or who's going to come through. So we just had Consigo out of the studios in Los Angeles. The man is rehearsing along with, what's the name of the band?
HD Band.
HD Band, live right there from Umalali Studios on Manchester and Badlong in Los Angeles.
Yes, sir.
So, Little June, so the time is short, man. We're getting to that point where we gotta say goodnight. I want you to take opportunity to send a big shout out to your family in New York. I know your parents are probably listening. If not, somebody's gonna go tell them to check us out on Friday as we rebroadcast this show through LMB Roots Radio and Radio Centro America.
Yeah, want to give a big shout out to everybody that's listening to the radio station right now. I really appreciate y'all for taking the time to actually listen to Lil June 2014. You know, it's been a long time since I, hit the media. I haven't really been hitting up the media like that because I've been doing so many things, just trying to accomplish everything, bringing more projects for everybody to hear and see, what Lil June is up to and see what he's doing. But there's a lot of things coming right now, and I just want to say thank you for being patient. Thank you to actually understand what Lil June is going through. Everything, man. Hi mom, hi dad, I love you, te quiero mucho mami, daddy, está escuchando radio ahorita. Este es su hijo, Little June. Bueno, Junior Álvarez después. Bueno, así que todo el mundo que está aquí esta noche está escuchando esta radio con DJ Labuga y Little June, que es La Punta Show. Gracias por todo, escuchando el radio. Little Joy, que es La Punta Show, te quiero mucho, mucho. Gracias. Thank you everybody. But don't leave the radio. Hold on.
Guess we have Del Ogaldes on the line from Chicago.
You are messing with me. I'm at work, you know. I'm listening to you guys, though. You are crazy.
Yeah,
so Dale,
I'm having fun.
so Nito Dale. So when are you gonna get on the plane to come to Los Angeles? Tomorrow or?
I'll be there Saturday. I'm leaving from here at 4:55 Saturday evening. I'll be there at 7:15 p.m. Saturday night.
Okay, beautiful. So everybody heard, everybody from New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, that Dale Young is going to be in Los Angeles to be part of the big festivities of the Belize Independence weekend. Of course.
Good, Dale.
Okay, I'll see you guys on Saturday.
Ready.
Okay, Dale, so you want to send a shout out back to... You want to send a shout out back to Consigo in the studios in Los Angeles. He's at Umalali Studios right now.
Yes, thanks. Go ahead, Consigo. Good job, man. I heard you guys. I spoke to Spice earlier. He said he was with you at the studio, man. So I'll check you guys out when I get there Saturday.
Okay, beautiful. Dale Ogaldes, thank you. All the way from Chicago. Ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
Okay, see you guys Saturday.
Bye.
Okay, there you have it. Live radio, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, man. But before we go, man, I gotta give one exclusive, man. But let's just take a quick break real quick before we do this last thing right here.
Okay, so which song you want to listen to, man?
Let's go with the back up again.
Back up, okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's see, that would be...
You know, matter of fact, let's go with Do You Wanna Dance. I know everybody. Yeah, that's the song that's doing it right now. A big shout out right here to everybody, man. This one is for you.
Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Let's go! Make sure you get that music. Getting ready tonight. You wanna dance tonight. You wanna move tonight. You wanna move tonight. Get ready to party. It's time to party. Get ready to move. But let me ask you, wanna dance? You wanna dance? You wanna dance? You wanna dance? You wanna dance? Hey, do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Shake it like that. Hey, 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 like that. Shake it like that. I see, shake it like that. Oh my God, put the people make some noise. Es little Joe, la puta. You feeling fresh tonight? No time to waste tonight. You wanna move tonight? You wanna move tonight? Get ready to party. It's time to party. Get ready to move time. But let me ask you, you wanna dance? You wanna dance? Do 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 you wanna dance? Put the back, shake it like that. Shake it like that. Hey, do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna? Hey, do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance?
We're back, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Now we're gonna give you a little bit of a live performance again with Little June.
Yeah! Well, ladies and gentlemen, right? So this is what we're gonna do in Los Angeles for everybody out there. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Baba, push it back, push your body down, push it back, push your banana, push it back, push your body down, push it back, push your banana. Hey, 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 hey. And we gonna do it like this. Hey, 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 hey. Ha! Para abajo, para abajo, para abajo. Hold on. Stop this. We're gonna get it high real quick for everybody that's getting ready to go to sleep. We're gonna go night. You're gonna eat, you're gonna drink some milk, you're gonna eat some cereal, you're gonna use the bathroom. Yo, this is Little Joe, aka La Punta Show, going live and direct with DJ Labuga. Hey, yo, drop it! Yes, man. Así se baila, mami, con la punta, con la cintura, baby. Little June, yo, September 14, we going high. You ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Stop it again. Hold on. You see, I see you on the left and right. I know you hype. No, stop it. Okay, we hit this. Are you ready? Say yeah. Hey, mama, hey. Ay, qué rico. Yes, man. Little Joe, aka La Punta Show, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Hey.
Yo, September 14, Los Angeles, Hollywood Park Casino. Don't forget, Little Joy K. La Punta Show will be there. DJ La Buga, Mama Gagarifuna gonna be there too. Everybody's gonna be there live and direct. We're gonna be pushing it back. Sakudave, 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 Sakudave. Hi. Alright, baby. Hey, do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Punta Rock. Aye! Thank you, everybody. Little Joe, aka La Punta Show, live and direct with DJ La Buga. We're here live and direct. I just want to say thank you, DJ La Buga, for having me here live and direct.
Beautiful. That was beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we're live from the studios in Long Beach. This is a great performance of one of the upcoming performers, one of the upcoming Punta Rock artists, Little June.
Yeah.
Who inspires a lot of youngsters, especially the last performance that I saw Little June back at the Hollywood Park Casino. It was such a great performance. He was there with the children. A whole bunch of kids came around the stage. They got on stage and they actually started dancing Punta. And Little June dedicated a little section of his performance to all the kids who were there on stage. So that is to have the desire to really want to be an artist, man. When you cater to the kids, to the new generation, that's inspiring. That's because you want to plant a seed. You want to make sure that the kids get the attention from well-liked and you know, a famous performer such as Little June, who's coming up in the ranks of Aurelio Martinez, who's coming up in the ranks of Ishiotic, who's coming up right along the ranks as Super G, and he's doing it his own way. So we are back again. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. We're going to play a little commercial and then a couple of songs, and then we're going to sign off as we close the show. And thank you again for staying late with us. Those of you, especially in the West Coast, in the East Coast, I'm sorry, New York, that are staying way late.
Visiting Las Vegas or live in Las Vegas? Black Coral Cafe Blazing Caribbean and American Cuisine Restaurant is just the place you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're open Tuesdays to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays from 12 noon to 5 p.m. Closed on Mondays. At Black Coral Cafe Restaurant in Las Vegas, you can enjoy all your Blazing Caribbean and American cuisine. We're located at 380 West Sahara Avenue. We also do catering for parties, weddings, and more. Call us at 702-579-5099. That's 702-579-5099. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. So we're going to take a minute or two to acknowledge all of our audience who are listening live. Thank you for those who called in, especially Spice, who is the promoter behind the big event happening this weekend at Hollywood Park Casino. Also Consigo and DJ Guaf. DJ Cool, who is in the studio at Umarali Studios right there in Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Q Glenn Garcia is the man behind the mixing board, along with, of course, the Spice. So big up to all of them as they get ready for the big performance over the weekend. It's going to be a 2-day weekend, and bringing such performers from Trinidad and Tobago as Crazy, Nardo Ranks from Jamaica, and
Mighty
also,
Spiral.
Yeah, the Mighty Spiral.
The guy that sing Only Fool. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, go there, get your groove on, slow jam, you know.
And of course, Sunday is going to be an all Belizean affair celebrating Independence Day, along with Biggs and of course
Super G, Miami,
Miami, and you name it, but it's gonna be fun. So if you want to go on Saturday night, it's gonna be $25 from 8 p.m. until 2 in the morning, or if you want to go on Sunday, it's from 1 p.m. until 10 p.m. only $10 in advance. You can get your tickets by calling Spice or by going to our Facebook page, and we'll make sure we contact Spice or Little June for you to get your tickets or to get you on the VIP list, so you could pay $10 only. But if you want to pay at the door, it's $15 on Sunday. So Little June, man, the microphone is yours. We're going to take a few minutes to say goodbye, and then we're gonna play a few songs after that, and then we're gonna close the show.
Well, everybody, once again, you're hearing Little June voice once again. Thank you for taking the time to actually, be up late, especially New York City, because I know you're getting ready to go to your bed right now, but I appreciate you for taking the time to be patient, to hear my voice right now with DJ La Buca. And this one right here, this tune that we're about to play right now is called Back Up Girl. A new tune from Little June. And if you want to search for this song, you could just go to soundcloud.com/Lil June Music. You could go to the website. You hear it right now. You want to see the lyrics? Go to youtube.com/Lil June 725.
If they want to reach you on other social media, do you have, besides Facebook, do you have any other accounts on Twitter or any?
I have Instagram. So search, just type Lil June La Punta Cho. It should pop up. I have Twitter too, but I'm not really into the Twitter thing. But you could go twitter.com/Lil June Vision. So just make sure, Facebook, Junior Alvarez, Lil June. So just add me. It may take a little minute for you to be accepted because I have so many friend requests on Facebook right now. It's getting crazy, but just be patient. You will be my friend on Facebook. So don't worry. I love you all. Hey, yo, DJ La Buca, Mama God, Garifuna. Love y'all. Love all my fans. Love mom, dad. Yeah.
Thank you for being in the studio, man. It's really a pleasure and it's really an honor for us to have you here live. It's not every day or every week that we get an artist to come to our studio in Long Beach.
Yeah.
Most of our interviews happen over the phone.
Over the phone.
And of course, the last time we had an interview from Honduras, we called Mando Ballesteros.
Yeah.
He was a great guest, and the majority of the artists who have been featured on this show have been from New York. And the only other person who's been here has been Mimi Martinez.
Mami, okay.
And I also told Asiatic that his next interview, which is happening in November, I want him in the studio. So I hope that if you are in town, you could come along with Asiatic, and this will be mad crazy.
We'll be glad to be here, man. I love this show.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This has been Little June. If you want to get the bio, make sure that you get it from my Facebook page.
Yes.
Ronnie Figueroa, RONY Figueroa, FIGUEROA. You get all the pictures that we just took in the studio tonight from Little June signing the flag of fame, and of course from the pictures taken right here in the studio live by my producer promoter Mama Garifuna. And of course, by being a friend of Ronnie Figueroa, you could also check out all of our interviews that are coming up, and you could also are able to watch some of the interviews that were uploaded on YouTube under Gafu Garifuna account on Gafu channel on YouTube.
Subscribe it. Subscribe it.
So
yes.
We get 5,000 subscribers. Once we get 5,000 subscribers, we're going to be able to get use of the studios in Santa Monica for free.
Okay.
And we're talking about top of the line studios that were actually paid for by Google, which is the company that owns YouTube. So 5,000 subscribers will get us right into the studio with the multi-million-dollar complex where Little June could come with Gafu and do his thing. He could also be part of the project. So Little June, we're gonna play the last song, and this is called "Back Up Girl."
Yes, for everybody. I'm also on the rise of shooting this video for the song, so Back Up Girl. Look out for it in November.
Thank you, June, and we'll see you on Saturday and Sunday. I know Saturday you're probably going to be dancing, enjoying the soca music from the Trinidadians and reggae from the Jamaicans, and then on Sunday we're doing your own thing in front of more than 5,000, 6,000 people that show up for the Belize Independence celebration, right?
Yeah, and it's just going to be a great time, and also, if you able to, matter of fact, if you show up a little bit early, I will be able to sign some autograph for the kids. Anybody that's just willing to,
Anybody that want an autograph from Little June, I will be able to dedicate that time before the show starts. So if you show up 12 o'clock, before 1 o'clock, I'll be there sound checking, so I'll sign some autographs.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you heard that officially. You're here at Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. You heard it right here. Yes, so have a good weekend, Little June. Enjoy yourself. Have a good time. And I know you're going to be spending a lot of time in the studio rehearsing for your performance this Sunday.
Yes, I would. Thank you for having me here once again, DJ Labuga. Another history in the making once again. I'm really inspired to be here right now. This radio station going to be #1 next year. And this is even going to be #1 the next year after that and bigger. God bless your family and everybody, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Good night, people. Good night, family.
Good night.
Good night, everybody in New York, in Chicago, in Los Angeles, Houston, Dallas.
Yeah, everybody.
In Honduras, in
Guatemala,
Belize.
Belize.
They listen out there as well.
Nicaragua, Mexico, everybody, man. Boston, New York City,
Seattle, Washington.
Seattle. It's just so much. New Orleans.
Yes.
Yeah. Miami, Florida. It's just so many, man. Who else? Who else? New Jersey, Philadelphia, the East Coast in general, man. Love ya. Yeah.
Hey, you lo ves, está todo bo. Bueno, este es Little Joe, a.k.a. La Punta Show, con DJ La Fuga esta noche y más música punta, con la canción que se dice, Paco, Paco, y para atrás, mami, ¿está listo? Bueno, DJ La Fuga, tíralo. Paco, it's your boy, Little Joe, a.k.a. La Punta Joe. Oh my God. Excuse me, DJ La Punta. The way you wind the bumper, just like that. Shake like a tornado, just like that. Wave like the ocean, just like that. Shake like the earthquake, just like that. Oh, I love your movement. So back it up right here. Paco, the way you punta, just like that. I really like it, just like that. Drop it like it's hot, just like that. Tip, by your door, just like that. Oh, I love your movement. So back it up, Lisa. Para atrás, mami, 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 para atrás. It's your boy Little Joe, a.k.a. La Punta Joe World. SKM, you ready to punta? Here we go. A, B, C, D. Y para atrás, mami, y para atrás, mami, y para atrás, mami, y para, what's his name? What's up? SKM to the world.
feet, bro. Why don't not happen in my yard? What up, boy? This girl and no boy finna put in this internet now. She no want come off of that Facebook thing, boy. By Seago, I tell you, they're not like I never tell you. You see? No, they in a Facebook problems.
She don't want to no treat me like she should. 24/7, she live on Facebook. She no clean the room, not even cook this afternoon. 1 week now, when she no grab the room. She get hooked, my Facebook no one cook because I'm Facebook. Facebook, Facebook, the whole flow, I see that me don't get drunk. Facebook, Facebook, me no want no Facebook. She no want cook, no treat me like she should. 24/7, she live on Facebook. She no clean the room, not even cook this afternoon. 1 week now, when she no grab the room.
Stay on it, but she laptop, message and the chat. Post the whole night, and you know me still live. Stay on it, but she laptop, message and the chat. Post the whole night, and you know me still live. Get up and cook the food. Come up on Facebook, get up and clean the house. Come up on Facebook, get up and wash the clothes. Come up on Facebook, get up and feed the kids. Come up on Facebook.
She no want cook, no they treat me like she should. 24/7, she live on Facebook. She no clean the room, not even cook this afternoon. 1 week now, when she no grab the room. She get hooked, my Facebook no want cook because I'm Facebook. Facebook, Facebook, the whole flow, I see that me don't get drunk. Facebook, Facebook, me no want no Facebook. She no want cook, no they treat me like she should. 24/7, she live on Facebook. She no clean the room, not even cook this afternoon. 1 week now, when she no grab the room.
They only but she laptop, message and the chat. Post the whole life, and you know me still live. They only but she laptop, message and the chat. Post the whole life, and you know me still live. Get up and cook the food. Come up on Facebook, get up and clean the house. Come up on Facebook, get up and wash the clothes. Come up on Facebook, get up and feed the kids. Come up on Facebook.
She no want cook, no they treat me like she should. 24/7, she live on Facebook. She no clean the room, not even cook this afternoon. 1 week now, when she no grab the room.
What up? This is Constable representing. Big up Collins and Travis. Birthday bash, Saturday, October 15th. The biggest bash in Los Angeles, California. It's Stella. Hey, we say gal, 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 we say gal. Chinese assassin, DJ Finest, DJ Courtesy, DJ Timeless. Big up DJ Dixie, straight out of Belize, we're radio. Calling Adita, Kaino, and me like coffee.
Nukuya merubayadina, Wango, Nukuya merubayadina. Ay, devere, siya no me wawa. Loba la banda, ay, loba ki banda, siya hapunana. Loba la banda, ayanu yadina, abana mule, no, ayanu yadina. Sanigo Bala bata naroko Nuna liga bananegi Nanura kule ala familia Bala bata naroko Nuna liga bananegi Nanura kule ala familia Bala bata naroko Nuna liga bananegi Nanura kule ala familia Bala bata naroko Nuna liga bananegi Yes, mi gente de Puerto Rico, Santo Domingo, México, Costa Rica, todo mundo, este es Lil Jun, la puta yo. Ay, roba la banda, roba la banda, roba la banda, roba la banda. Yes, roba la banda. This is coming from the heart and soul of Lil Jun, la puta yo. And I'm proud to be Garifuna. Make sure you come out to Lil Jun next show in 4 minutes. I want you all to be here with me. Switch up time. Hello, Baki Badani. Sing hayo harama. Hello, Baki Badani. Hello, Baki Badani. Sing hayo harama. Hello, Baki Badani. Hello, Baki Badani. Habunana. Hello, Balabana. Hello, Baki Badani. Habunana. One more time, baby. Hello, Baki Badani. Sing hayo harama. Hello, Baki Badani. Hello, Baki Badani. Sing hayo harama. Hello, Baki Badani. Hello, Baki Badani. Sing hayo harama. Baki Badani. A little song, suavecito. Hello, Baki Badani. Sing hayo harama. Baki Badani. You know what? Right now I'm just worthless. What we said, baby? Right now I'm just worthless. And if you feel like you don't care and you don't give a what? Make some noise. This is Lil Jun, la puta show. I'm winning away, feeling so nice, so nice, so nice. She tripping on me, but it's alright, alright, alright. And I feel like I just win $1 million. Everybody watching me, wearing $1 million. You wanna talk? You wanna buy, you know? Dig it out that way, dig it out that way. Para toda mi gente por allí, mami, estamos pasando, bailando. Everybody out there, we moving left to right, cause we're gonna do it like this one more time. Hey, you wanna talk? You wanna buy, you know? Dig it out that way, dig it out that way. Alright, everybody, this is Lil Jun, la puta show. Feeling hot, hot, hot. What we say, baby? Feeling hot, hot, hot. Everybody come together, baby. Hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Take it low, take it low. Sing with me. Ole, 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 ole. Bring the band out, cuz. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Hot, 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 baby. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Everybody feeling hot, hot on the dance floor. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Yes, smart. We're gonna take it back to the 1980s. You understand what I'm saying? Oh! Me mind on fire, fire. Me soul on fire. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Party people, people all around me. Feeling hot, hot, hot. What to do on a night like this? Music sweet, I can't resist. We need a party song, a fundamental jam, so we can bump, 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 bump. What we say? Yeah, we can bump, 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 bump. Everybody sing with me. Ole, 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 ole. Para toda mi gente que tiene calor, ¡una bulla! Este es Lil Jun, baby. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Everybody, baby. Feeling hot, hot, hot. ¿Quiere más? ¿You want more? Okay. See people rocking, rocking. Hear people chanting. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Woo! Keep up the spirit, spirit. Come on, let's do it. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Hey! That's in the air, celebration time. Let music captivate your mind. We have this party song, this fundamental jam. So we can bump, 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 bump. Baby, what? So we can bump, 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 bump. Everybody, ole, ole, say, feeling hot, hot, hot. Little Drew rhythm bada, feeling hot, hot, hot. Break it down for me. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Are you feeling what? Feeling hot, hot, hot. What we say one more time? Feeling hot, hot, hot. One more time. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Yes, man. Garifuna people make some noise. Bueno, mi gentes, este es Lil Ju, la puta show. Y esta noche vamos a bailar y gozar con la puta show. Lil Ju dice: el amor de una rosa que jamás yo comprendí. Le entregué todo mi amor y ahora. Ok, mi gentes, get up. Despertate ahora, vamos a gozar. Arriba mi gente, ajá, Lil Ju. El amor una rosa que jamás yo comprendí. Entregué todo mi amor. Abulé, mi gente, a salir. Rhythm bada belly, SKL. Biggie Bay, Biggie Bay, Biggie Bay, Biggie Bay. Hey, hey, alright, Caracos. Y ahora me abandonaron. Que es el amor a esa rosa. Que es el amor, ay, que es el amor, mami. Mira, mi amor es para mí, es solo para ella. Ahora me mola. Una puya, mi gente. Comida a puta, hey. Say. Y ahora me abandonaron. Que es el amor a esa rosa. Que es el amor, ay, que es el amor, mami. Sonando junto a ella, el amor de esa rosa. Hace si suelo inolvidable. Con el amor de esa rosa. Lo he compartido con el amor de esa rosa. Ay, con el amor de esa rosa. Con el amor de esa rosa. Ay, con el amor de esa rosa. Con el amor de esa rosa. Ay, con el amor de esa rosa. Ay, con el amor de esa rosa. Ok, mi gente, vamos a gozar con Lil Ju, la puta show. Mi gente, carifunas, una puya. Are you ready for some puta? Make some noise. Here we go. Rigatati mama, rigatati tata, rigatati tate, rigatati tate, rigatati tate, rigatati tate. Oh my God! I don't want nobody to call 911. Are you ready to go home? Let's go! Arriba, para abajo, arriba, Are you feeling? ¿Dónde está mi gente de Honduras? Okay, ¿dónde está mi gente de La Buca? Where all my people from Belize? It's time to rip it up, yeah! It's your boy Lil Ju, aka La Puta Show, yeah! God bless ya from your boy Lil Ju, here we go! Tukuta peita haradia, tukuta peita haradia, tukuta peita haradia, tukuta peita haradia. Make sure you look out for the album coming soon. Well, I'm not done yet. This is the Puta Show. Hey, Keep pushing that body. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present you my flow. Super daddy, get your kid down. Daddy, get your kid down. Get your kid down, get it down. Super daddy, get your kid down. Daddy, get your kid down. Get your kid down, get it down. Stop the game. It's me, your boy, Pablo, once again. La cintura, así. Otra lady, shake it down. Whipping, shake it down. Super nigga, shake it down. Whipping, get to my puta show. Super bass, take it, fight it up. Lil Chu, Young Pablo. Young Pablo's out. I wanna hear you say. Special thanks for everybody for buying this preview CD. Wait, the puta, wabita ha punta. And that's it. The album coming out soon. So many boys.